how to download Google Chrome. So guys, it's very easy. So what you have to do, just open your Microsoft Edge browser, web browser, double click and type google.com, and now type Google Chrome download. And the first link on the top, it says install Google Chrome browser from google.com. So select that one, and now it says download Chrome for Windows 11, 10. Now we will select this, tap this button, and now set a file is downloaded. Open the file and now enter your PIN number. Okay guys, so the web browser is installed now. It says sign in to Google Chrome. So if you want to sign in, otherwise you can don't sign in and you can use it. So what we will close this screen first, and now we will close this browser as well. Now here's the, you can see the shortcut in desktop. Double click it and see if it is working. Thanks guys, so your Google Chrome is working now. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.